Dave!
What?
The shower is leaking again!
Actually, I was going to the depot anyway.
One hour later. Two hours later. Three hours later.
Alright, I think I got everything now. Oh shit, was that supposed to come off?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Good morning, I'm Brandon with Big B's Plumbing.
Thank God you're here. Can you please go help him?
You got it, I'd love to help him out.
Meanwhile,
Hey Dave, can I help you out? Dave, did you hit this with a hammer? It looks like we're gonna have to open up the wall and replace everything inside of there now. I wish you would have called me before you did that.